So, yan guys yung aming water system. Oh, kikita nyo yan. Hanggang doon. Ay, hindi siya makita. Masyadong close. Ayan guys, tubig. Ayan. Ang aming water irrigation para sa aming halaman at mga damo. Kasi sobrang ayan guys. Nakakabasa yan. Yan isa yan. Ayan. Lahat yan ga, pati sa gitna meron yan. Oh. Tapos hanggang doon, ayun si Habi. Come, this one it doesn't spray much. This one doesn't spray much.
I don't need to.
Why?
They're in the corner.
Ah. That one doesn't do it either. Well, this one and this one is not working yet, babe. So this side is, I guess, is different area.
Yeah.
So yeah. So that yan guys. Sasakyan ni Habi, sasakyan ko. Oh yan. Ayan. Meron din dito nag-spray hanggang doon. Ewan ko lang kung doon sa likod nag-spray na siya. Dito in-adjust niya. Ay, hindi, nagwo-work na rin yan. Yung is water. Ayan guys. Nakikita niyo yan. Ayan. Nag-cut si Habi ng grass. Kaya, ayun. Tignan natin kung hanggang saan yung tubig. Kung saan, hanggang saan yung iikutin ba. So, ayan. So hanggang doon lang guys sa ano ba yung tree doon? Meron kami doon tree. Ay, yung ko doon namatay yung cherries. So ayan. I think he needs more water system in the back. And tubig. Ito yung aming blueberry na hindi na nagpo-produce ng blueberry. Back to the front.